Hi guys, Mark with Cutom Dynamics. Today we're going to do a little video on the marrying procedure of our TSM using the CanDo Mini Moto scan tool. We've teamed up with them. They've worked real good in getting their tool to marry our TSM to the bike. So without further ado, let's get after it. Guys, I'm here at the bike. I've got side covers off, bags off, all that good stuff. So what we're going to do first, we're going to remove the old TSM. Get it out of the way. Plug in our TSM. Set that back in there. Set that there for now. I'll go around the other side. We'll hook up the CanDo to the port on the other side, and I'll walk through the procedure on the marrying process. All right, now we're back on the other side. I've got the Harley-Davidson adapter plugged into the CanDo, and we're gonna come down here to the data port. It's a 4-pin Deutsch. So we're going to plug that in there, simple as that, and then I will get a close-up here of the screen so we can walk through that together now. Okay, we got the Mini Moto plugged in. We're going to turn on the bike. We're going to come in here on the screen. They had different prompts. We're going to go into Moto Diag. We're going to choose Harley-Davidson. Make sure that you have the latest version downloaded onto your CanDo, which is Harley-Davidson version 33.18, because that'll get you the availability of marrying this the TSM. So we'll get into that. And we're going to go into Diag. We'll go by System. Then we're going to go by Engine. Come down to Special Function. I'm going to ask you a couple questions, failure, make sure you're responsible and all that good stuff. Agree to that. Then we'll ask for a password. Hit OK. Then we got another bunch of options here. We'll scan down to module replacement. Hit the module replacement. Press OK to continue. Hit OK. Run is to run. Hit OK. Now we're going to attempt to start the bike. It will start up and then shut off. That. Hit OK. Then we're going to wait 10 seconds and the key will illuminate into the dash, which it already has there. Once it does that, hit OK. And now we wait. So we sit here and wait for 11 minutes for this marrying procedure. I'll be back when it's ready to do it and show you the rest of it. Okay guys, procedure just timed out there. So now it says ignition off, so we'll shut the ignition off. Hit OK. Wait 20 seconds here. It's nice, it gives you a progression bar, makes it super easy. Turn ignition on. Hit OK. Function finished. Hit OK. Bike should start now. So that's it. That's how easy it is to marry our TSM with the CanDo Mini Moto. I want to say thanks to Victor and the guys from CanDo for helping out and getting this ready so we could marry this and team up with this. Works really great. Like I said earlier, I can't say enough about this tool. It's awesome. It's handheld. We'll go out and get one today. Go out and get our TSM. Then you can have your bike back on the road.